And Griffin, well, me and Griffin just saw, there is 9 other birds but chickens in the chicken coop. Let's go in and grab them out. No, come here. Ow! Oh, one flew out. Hey, you gotta shut the door. Shut the door. No, come in, quick. Come here. No, stay in, chickens. Turn it. Another one got out. Come here. The camera. Come here. You're fine. You're okay.
Oh, chill.
Not your way. Stop flying. Ow. I hate this. It's fine. Look at the one in there. Chilling. Okay. Stop being scared. Get out. Ah! Stop flying away. I won't hurt you. Come here. Come here. Stop. Chill. Oh, and a bird flew out. No, don't let him. How did he get out? A bird just spreading its wings. No, it's okay. First. Oh my God. Hey, don't attack them, you little turds. Okay. First rod. It's okay. I got him. I got you. It's okay.
These are wild birds.
Wild birds. Say hi. Bird number 2. Open. Fly!
Oh, so many feathers.
Bye-bye.
Where the other ones go?
There's one right there.
Where are they gone?
Oh, that's a big one. His name's Jimmy.
Jimmy.
Bob. Ow! Oh my God! That has a big neck.
Can you guys chill?
This is super fun. Oh my God!
What? Stop doing that. You just hurt yourself more.
Oh. Riley, the bird is Riley.
Stop. You're hurting yourself more by doing that. Another one. Ow! Get those two. I got you guys. That's name's Jimmy. You guys are not that good at this.
These birds are more powerful than we are.
Get that one.
Come here.
Got you.
It's a huge one though. So
That's Bob.
fly away.
How did they even get in here?
Oh my God! Stop. I hate when you do that. Chill.
I have 4. I'm winning this.
Well, I can't
Why
grab
are you
it.
such in a weird position?
They hate me. Oh my.
Oh my God! I'm winning 4-2. That bird is in pain. Just grab it in one hand. Throw it. Chuck it.
That's bird.
Chuck it.
That's bird. You gotta absolutely throw it.
Pretty bird.
Don't act like you're blind.
Pretty bird.
It's from Dumb and Dumber. Absolutely chuck that bird, Griffin.
Wait, don't go yet. Don't go
Don't
yet.
go. Count any.
Okay. 3. Wait, no. Don't. 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye. Wow, look at